Should you do repairs before you sell your home? That is going to be totally dependent on your financial situation. Identify if it's going to be $25,000, $50,000 worth of work. Do you have the time, energy, and money to be able to take on a project of that size? Don't forget, if the project is going to take you 9 months to complete, how long is it going to take for you to sell it? If you don't want to deal with that and you just want to cash out, give me a call at 210-640-1828. We'll walk through the property together. I'll give you my personal and professional thoughts. We'll go over some options together and see what solution best works for you.